Given that segment VW is congruent to segment XY and WY is greater than VX, prove that the measure of angle WXY is greater than the measure of the angle VWX. As usual, the first statement is obtained from the given. Thus, statement 1 is segment VW is congruent to segment XY. The reason is given. It is known in the first place that another pair of congruent segments from the same two triangles is needed to use the converse of Hinge theorem. Thus, statement 2 is side WX is congruent to side WX. The reason is congruence of segments is reflexive. Having proved two pairs of congruent segments from two triangles, the relationship between the third side may now be stated. Hence, statement 3 is WY is greater than VX. The reason is given. The opposite angle of segment WY, which is longer than side VX, is angle WXY, while of that the shorter side VX is angle VWX. Therefore, statement 4 is the measure of angle WXY is greater than the measure of angle VWX. The reason is the converse of Hinge theorem.